Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Google Images or the Google app. This gets you to the camera or lens quickly. Once there, choose Upload, paste the image URL, drag the file into the search box, or take a photo with your camera. These are the fastest ways to start a reverse image search. Do this now so Google can analyze pixels and metadata. The system looks for matching visual features and context to find sources, sizes, and similar images, so you can verify origin and usage rights. Once Google returns matches, refine the results with tools. Filter by size, color, type, or time to eliminate noise. Click a promising thumbnail to open the image viewer. From there, visit the host page and inspect the surrounding content and metadata to judge credibility. Also try lens suggestions or right-click the image and choose Search by Image to find variants and higher resolution copies. These steps help you locate the original upload, different resolutions, and context for accurate attribution and verification. Finish by confirming the source. Open the host page, read captions and dates, and verify authorship. This prevents misattribution. If you plan to reuse the image, apply the usage rights filter and note the license, then download or copy the image URL for citation. If search fails or the camera icon is missing, update your browser or Google app, try drag and drop or paste the URL, or fall back to an alternate reverse search like TinEye. This troubleshooting step resolves most access issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.